we shall be discussing approaches to assess contribution of education. Contribution in which field? As you know, we are discussing economics of education. So, to assess the contribution of education in terms of economic growth and development, we shall be discussing. Though we have already discussed through different parts of the lecture that it is very difficult to identify the total contribution of education to the development, to the economic growth and development. But there are certain ways which we shall discuss, and those are 4 in number. In different part, all the 4 we shall be discussing. You all know that firstly we outline the lecture in the process of discussion, and so firstly we shall outline the lecture. So let us outline the lecture. So you can see we shall discuss today the approaches to assess contribution of education, and of course in terms of economic growth and development. In the process, though it is not directly linked, but consumption and investment are two important aspects of education, and that we shall be discussing. It continues education as consumption as well as investment. And then different approaches to assess contribution of education to growth and development, and of course it is economic growth and economic development, you can say. As we have already said in the introduction that these approaches are 4 in number: a simple correlation approach, a residual approach, a return to education approach, and forecasting manpower needs approach. Here we shall discuss individual correlation approach, and again residual approach. Then returns to education approach, and finally forecasting human resource needs approach. And one more approach that is not within 4 but it is universal, that is equality of educational opportunity, and it is one of the vital indicator of economic growth and development. So this is all about this part of the lecture, rather introductory part of the lecture, in which we shall firstly discuss certain aspects, and then all the aspects will be delivered separately. So you have seen that we shall discuss different approaches that assess contribution of education in terms of economic growth and development. In the process, we shall talk about the functions of education as consumption function and also investment function. So education is being used as investment as well as consumption, how we will discuss. And then we shall discuss 4 approach that is instrumental for assessment, as you have already seen, and along with that the 5th approach in the name of equality of educational opportunity as an universal indicator of economic growth and development in a specific term and in general term, development as a whole. So this is all about the periphery, boundary or a scope of the lecture which we are going to discuss today. For this part, that is introductory and some introductory remarks, you can say, we have concluded. Thank you.